About the rescue operation here, it's a very unfortunate event that has happened during Christmas. I'm being told that the building under construction was about 5 stories that crumbled down. I've just talked to the PS Interior, Dr. Raymond Umolo, and he has assured me that from tomorrow they're going to increase the number of equipment that are going to be here for this operation. Reliably, we are being told that today being a holiday, there are no construction workers on site, but we have to ascertain that. So I've just brought some excavator that is here to try and see if we can rescue anybody who is trapped inside. I think by the time the excavator came and tried to remove the rubble, it's like someone was trapped inside. There was some sound, some voice inside, but you cannot ascertain the number of people who are inside. So I'm going to be here for a while to try and see exactly what's going on.
Okay, what's your message to maybe the contractors who are currently putting up structures in Rongo constituency?
My message is to the developers and contractors who are putting up buildings. Let them adhere to construction standards. From what has happened, you can clearly see these are a result of poor workmanship, either poor workmanship or substandard material. But I cannot ascertain that at the moment. That will leave to National Construction Authority to come and do the investigation later.
We're seeing people around here. Maybe what's your message to them, because the exercise might not end today?
My message to the people who are around here is unfortunate that we don't have a microphone, but I think they should